Hello, second grade family. Okay, this is just going to be a really quick video on how to get onto Lexia because it sounds like there have been some issues. So, let me show you. First of all, in your kids' packet, there should be a QR code that looks something like this. And it'll be just a little square piece of paper. This is the code that they need to scan to sign in once they get onto the iPad or whatever device they're using. This will get onto Clever. Now, Clever is where everything's at. So they'll scan, they'll get onto Clever. It'll look something like this. And Lexia, the Lexia icon is this one, this Earth. It says Lexia Core 5. That will get them on. And your kids should know this. Now, if the QR code doesn't work, everyone got in their purple folders, they got a page that looks like this. It says backup login code. So, and this is for also if you have a device that doesn't have a camera, then you'll type in whatever code. Now this is Lori, so don't use this one. But yes. However, I've heard that hasn't always been working. And so I had heard from one parent, and so then I looked it up again, and it was a different code. So hopefully those little square ones will work. If that doesn't work and the backup code doesn't work, then let me know and I'll see if I can figure this out. We'll figure it out together. Let's see. And the other, you should have another page in the folder, and that one is for Seesaw. That's your Seesaw home code. Okay? Okay. Hopefully this helps, and if not, then just let me know. Thank you.